Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore incremental data loading using Dataflow Gen2 in Microsoft Fabric. This is one of the most important techniques to optimize your data pipeline, reduce refresh time, and improve performance. So what is incremental data load? Normally, when we refresh the data, the entire dataset is reloaded, even if only few rows are updated. This is called full load, which is insufficient for large table. So with incremental data load, we only load new data since the last refresh. This ensures faster and smarter refreshes by loading only new records instead of entire dataset. This reduces refresh time, optimize performance, and save resources. With Dataflow Gen2, you can easily configure refresh policies based on date and ID column, making it ideal for large and transactional table. So it can scale your data pipeline efficiently with seamless incremental refresh in Fabric. So what we are going to do, we are going to create SQL database in Fabric Workspace. Then we are going to insert some record. Then with Dataflow Gen2, we are going to configure incremental load so that only updated rows are updated to the warehouse. So let's get started the demo. Okay, right now I'm in Fabric Workspace. I have created a new workspace called Incremental Data Loading. If you want to create new workspace, just click on Workspaces and click on New Workspace. Okay, so let's create a database so that we can insert some data. For that, you need to click on New Item, search database, click on SQL database, provide some name, click Create. Okay, so database has been created. So let's create a table and insert some record. For that, we need to run some script. For that, you need to click on new query. I have created statement and insert statement handy, so I'm going to paste here. So let's run the script by clicking on run. Okay, so if you see, our table employees has been created. Okay, so records are also there. Okay, so let's create a data warehouse quickly. So for that, you need to click on new item, click on data warehouse, click on warehouse, provide some name, click on create. Let's create a structure of table in data warehouse. For that, we need to click on new query. Click run. Okay, so the structure has been created in data warehouse. Let's create a data flow to configure incremental data loading. So first we need to create a data flow gen2. So again we need to click on new item and click on data flow gen2, provide some name, click create. So data flow has been created. So now we have to fetch the table from our database. So click on get data, click on more, click on one lake catalog. So database 001 is our SQL database. Click on that. Click on employees table. Click on create. So we have successfully fetched the data from our database. Now we have to fetch the table from our warehouse also. So again we need to click on get data, click on more, click on one lake catalog. Warehouse 001 is our warehouse. Click on that. Click on employees. Click on create. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a condition on hire date and apply a condition for increment data load on the basis of max hire date. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to rename it warehouse table. Let me delete all the columns. Convert this column into date, sorry, on the list. Now I have to apply a condition for incremental data load. Click on hire date, date filter, click on equals, click OK. Now I am going to apply a condition for incremental data load on the basis of max hire date. So it is greater than equals to I have to apply else condition also. If the table is null, then I have to give some date. Dot from. Click enter. Okay, I have applied incremental load condition on the basis of max hire date. I have to provide data destination, which is our warehouse. Click on next. We have existing table. Click on existing table. Click on warehouse 001. Click on table. Click next. We want to append the data. Click on save setting. Now we have to save and run. So refresh has been started. So let's go to our workspace. Click on recent run. It's in progress now. Okay, so data flow ran successfully. So let's check in our warehouse whether the data is populated or not. So click on table, click on refresh here. Okay, click on table, new query, select top 10. Okay, so data has been populated in our warehouse. So let's try to insert some data in our database and check whether we are getting all data or we are getting the only updated records. So I am going to write insert query. Currently we have 4 records. Now I am going to insert 2 more rows. I am going to copy insert statement here. Let me change the hire date and the employee ID. Six, six. Changing the employee name also. Okay, I'm going to run this query. Okay, the query ran successfully. So let me refresh the table. Okay. Okay, the two records has been inserted. You can see that 105, 106 has been inserted. So let's run the data flow again. Click on data flow. Click on refresh now. Refresh has been started. Okay, data flow ran successfully. So let's check in our database whether the updated records has been updated or not. So this is our warehouse. So you can see that only updated records has been populated, like 105 and 106. So that's how you set up a incremental data loading using Dataflow Gen2 in Microsoft Fabric. This is simple feature, solve a lot of time in real world project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.